In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate messages in Slack. Automating messages is a simple way to keep your team informed without having to remember to post every time. Whether you're sending daily reminders, onboarding tips, or status updates, this quick setup will save you time and make your communication more consistent. First, click the plus icon at the bottom left. You'll find it in the Slack sidebar. This opens the creation panel where you can set up an automation. If you don't see the icon, make sure you're using the Slack desktop or web app and that you have permission to create workflows in your workspace or chosen channel. Next, select Workflow. This takes you into Slack's workflow area, where everything you build follows a simple path. A trigger happens, and Slack runs the actions you choose. The interface is straightforward, and you'll see options to define what starts the workflow and what it should do. Now, select your trigger. The trigger is the event that kicks everything off. Common choices include a specific time of day for scheduled messages, a user joining a channel for onboarding notes, or a form submission if you're collecting info. Pick the trigger that best matches when you want your message to send. If you're aiming for a regular reminder, a time-based trigger works well. If the message should follow a team action, choose an event-based trigger. Clear naming can help you recognize your workflow later. Then, select the action send message. This tells Slack exactly what to do once the trigger fires. The send message action is reliable and perfect for announcements, reminders, and nudges. Now select where this message will be sent, and then compose the message. Choose the destination first, a specific channel for team-wide visibility, or a direct message if it's meant for an individual. When writing your message, keep it concise and clear. You can include links, simple formatting, or mentions where appropriate, but use broad mentions sparingly to avoid notification fatigue. If your trigger includes details like a user or a date, consider referencing that information in the message so it feels timely and personal. A short, friendly tone often gets the best engagement. And there you go. With those choices in place, your automated message is ready to run when the trigger occurs. That's all. You've set up a dependable, repeatable process that takes a task off your plate and helps your team stay aligned.